It looks good.
It's dull.
It's my thing.
I'm not keen on it.
I like it.
I dislike it.
It's fascinating.
That's not for me.
This is wicked.
It bores me to tears.
It looks fantastic.
I was bored to tears.
I'm crazy about it.
I'm not crazy about it.
This is totally sick.
I don't appreciate that.
I couldn't put it down.
I was dying of boredom.
It sounds good or it sounds great.
It's not my cup of tea.
I am very interesting in it.
It's like watching paint dry.
I could not tear myself away.
It's like watching grass grow.
Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.